Hello, this is TJ Roberts Decorating. This is a little job I did last year. First we protect all the flooring, all the furniture and anything what needs plastic sheeting on, such as the fireplace, get covered up. All the wallpaper will be getting stripped off these walls. So as you can see, all the wallpaper has been stripped off. All the walls have been sanded down with dustless sanders. They've been refilled and they've also been sealed. The ceiling has been painted with 2 coats and the woodwork has also been painted 2 coats in aquaguard satin. So as you can see, after that process it's wallpapering and all the walls have been wallpapered below the picture rail and above. This is the wallpaper the customer picked. It makes the room look a little bit more lighter and brighter, so there's just the furniture to go back, TV to go back on the wall.